Today is my project pan update for the month of February. I again have some empties, yay, that's exciting. Not as many as last month though, but that's okay. We're still making progress. I have some not so great progress as well to share with you, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna go in the same order that I have been going in just to keep things a little more consistent and organized. So the first product we are going to talk about is our body lotion and hand cream. At the beginning of this month, I brought in the Hempz lotion. As you can see, it is like half, maybe a little more than half. I made the mark over here. I've used a little more than half of it. Made a lot of progress with this. I have used it 20 times at least. I feel like, again, I keep missing to mark my sheet of how many times I'm using things. So I feel like I've actually used it more than 20 times to get to where I am at right now. But that's just what I have recorded, so that's what we're gonna go with. I think that just given how much I used this month, that it'll take me just one more month to use this up completely. So I think that this will be gone next month and it'll be a part of my empties and progress then. But I have made good progress on it, and this was quite a bit more. I think it was double, at least double, if not more, ounceage wise than the previous one that I used up within a month in January. So it kind of makes sense that I've used up only this much given what I used up last month. So there we are with that one. Next product is a shower product, and I am still working on the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I still have more than half left. I feel like maybe I've used a third of it, and I have used it 6 times this month. I'm pretty sure that number is correct. I think I was pretty good about recording how many times I used this. And I still like using it, and yeah, I think this is, like I said, gonna last me a while, and this will stay in the project for quite some time still, but I'm totally fine with that. My first empty item is my special bath product, and that is the bath salts that I had that I introduced at the beginning of this month. So I did actually use this in one bath just because I wanted it to be more fragrant, more relaxing doing so, and I actually stayed in the bath a tad bit longer than I did for the other one because I enjoyed the scent of it a little more, and I don't know. So anyway, I used this up. I'm happy about that, and I am replacing it with this. This is the Ulta Beauty Simply Clean Bath Fizz. Again, this will be a one-time use, and I'm going to try again to take a bath at least once this month. That's what I've been doing, and I've actually been able to do that, so I'm pretty happy with that, and I want to continue with that momentum and that routine, and give this a try. I've never used one of these before, so this should be interesting, and my goal is to take a bath and use that up this month. Next up is fragrance, and I used that one up too, so it's my second empty. And this is the Loveswept from Philosophy, and it's the one that like you have to pop the lid and just kind of like dump it like that. And it smelled good. I don't think it's one that I would go out and purchase, but it definitely smelled good. I definitely was happy to use it each day. This took me the entire month. Okay, you know the sprays, they don't last that long, but these ones, I don't know if they have more in them. It doesn't have an ounceage on here, but yeah, it took me a lot longer to use these little things versus a spray, which is what I will be replacing it with. So we can just show you that real quick. So I feel like when they have a spray pump to them, they just go so much quicker. I feel like there's less product in here. So the one I am going to be introducing is the Kate Spade New York Live Color Fully fragrance. I'm going to give this a little whiff and see if it smells good. I'm terrible at describing scents, but I think that's actually kind of nice. Kind of like that one. So I will enjoy using that this coming month. Oh my gosh, I'm eating the fragrance. Doesn't taste good. Smells good. Doesn't taste good. Next up is kind of a fail. A flop. on my part. It is my Haircare foil packet sample. I have not touched it. I didn't even use it. Very sad. So, I won't be rolling anything else in, and I will try my hardest to use this month. Oh my gosh, I need to use this, guys. Then I have my regularly used hair care routine product, which is my conditioner, my Kenra conditioner, and I made another mark on here. So before I was right here, and now I am here. And kind of, you know, just so you can see. So clearly I used so much more last month and so much less this month, but I cut my hair. I didn't need as much. I think that's why the progress has slowed down so much with this product. So yeah, still working on it. I think I've got a long ways to go still. Like if you put that, yeah, that'll take me a couple months, so still working on it. Last month I didn't record how many uses. I just did the marking, and I did the marking again this month, but I also recorded the uses. I used it a total of 9 times this past month. This next product, hair product, might be the reason why I didn't touch the foil packet sample. This is the Bumble BB Glow, the Bond Building Styler. This was my mini size product, and I used it up completely. I can't even squeeze any more out of here. Yeah, so I used it 9 more times this month to use it up completely. And if you want more of a review on the items that I used up, like more of an in-depth review, check out my Empties video. I talk a lot more about them and my opinion on them, whether I'd purchase them or not, in that video. So go check that out. I will leave a little link up here. But yeah, so I used this up. I am pretty happy about that. I'm excited. Total usage on this product was 15 uses to use it up completely between last month and this month. And now I get to roll in another deluxe kind of hair care sample, which is this Define Me Delphine hair fragrance mist. I figured that if I could use up the spray fragrance that I introduced earlier in the month, that I could then start using this on my hair so that I'm not combining fragrances, kind of a thing. This isn't something that I would typically have or use, but I have it. I think I got it as a freebie and I feel like I should use it. So I'm not gonna spray this because I already sprayed the other one and it still smells like it, so I'm not gonna spray this, but it smells very floral. It smells very floral, so we'll see. We'll see how I do on this product. So we're moving into some almost fails. This is one of them. This is the Got To Be Oil-licious Dry Oil Hair Taming Mist that I introduced beginning of this month, and I used it once. Yeah, I only used it once because I was actually really nervous to use this because I didn't want my hair to be greasy. So I avoided using it, which is not the purpose of this. The purpose is to use it. I really need to use it more to even form an opinion on it and whether to continue to use it or to declutter it like I did my previous hair care product, full-size hair care product from last month. So yeah, kind of annoyed with myself, but it didn't really make my hair greasy the one time that I used it, so I feel a little bit better about using it this month. This next one was almost so close to being another fail on my part. I almost didn't touch this one at all. So, but I did like maybe the other day, a couple days ago. But this is the anti-aging product from Badescu, the Vitamin A, D, and E Neck Cream. See, this is why I do these videos and doing this project, because it kind of reminds me and encourages me to use products I normally wouldn't. This one, I used it twice. I still have a long way to go, I know. Next up is my exfoliator, and this is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub. And as you can see, I have used quite a bit of it. I did mark it right here on where I am at. But yeah, so I've made a lot of progress with this one. I used it a total of 5 times so far, and I think this will be gone next month for sure. I did want to mention with this product, it says to use it on dry skin, like apply on dry skin with dry hands and then wet your face. I couldn't do that. I tried it and I hated it. It was terrible. I would have tossed this and decluttered this right away, but I decided to use it in the shower. Obviously your face is already wet and your hands are wet. So it does dissolve a whole lot faster and quicker, so I understand why they say not to do that, but I much prefer it in the shower. So that's how I've been using this product, and that's how I will continue to do so till it is used up next month. Next product that I have progress on is the Shiseido Concentrate. As you can see, I have used up a good amount of this. I am down to right here. I made a little marking, I don't know if you can see it, a little black mark right here. So I have come a long way, and I think that this will be done by the end of next month for sure. Next update, this will be an empty, so I will have some empties next month, like I already know. But this I used a total of 20 times already. This little sample really does last you a while. Like I think there's like, if you use this every day, there was a couple days I missed, obviously. But if you use this every day, like for 30 days, I think this is like a month's supply, which is great and awesome, especially since I'm sure this product is super expensive. So I'm really happy with this. I'm kind of glad that I still have it, honestly. Like I know the point of this is to use products up, and I haven't been savoring this in that way. Like I've been using this like as much as I remember to, because I like it and I like using it. I have used this and the hand cream 20 times, which is the most times that I have used any of these products. So that's pretty good that this is one of my most used Project Pan items for this month. Next up is my face mask, and this is the Badescu Rose Hip Mask, and I have used this 3 times. A picture and then insert it here so you can see and kind of see how I'm doing with this. I'm gonna look and see real quick. Actually, this looks, just visually looking at it, looks like it's halfway gone, which, wow. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was that far with this product after using it an additional 3 times. But yeah, so I will continue to use this. I love this product, so I am totally fine that this is not gone yet. I have my NARS lip pencil that I am working on, and I will take a picture of the progress from when I started, and then last month, and then this month, so you can kind of see visually how well I'm doing. I didn't do as well as I did last month, honestly, but it's close. So, you know, there's that. I still am not wearing it twice a day like I said I was gonna try and do, so I need to be better about that. I really do. And I have used this a total of 13 times this month. I can't really compare that to last month as far as usage, because same with the conditioner, I just marked it to show the difference instead of counting how many times, whereas this month I did both. I marked it and I counted, so unfortunately I can't compare that this time around, but I can next time. I then have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel that I'm still working on. I do think that it is getting lower in here. Like I can tell that there's not as much in here, but it's not completely gone yet. I used it a total of 14 times this month, and yeah, maybe next month this will be gone. Another empties, guys, another empty. You knew this was gonna happen. For my last update, I barely had any left. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, my little guy here. And I used it only 3 additional times to use it up completely. But I used it a total of 9 times to use this entire thing up. And I have actually moved on to using my other size that I have of this. So, but again, check out my empties. I talk a lot more in detail about this, my likes, my dislikes, and things like that. So check that out. And then I am replacing it with this, another base product. I'm considering this a base product because it's in my base section drawer in my storage. So I will now be trying to pan this. I love this product. I already know that. So it shouldn't be, well, I don't know, this is full size, so maybe it will take me a little bit longer than I think it's going to take me. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. And yeah, so this will be my new face product that I introduce into the project. Very last thing is the MAC Strobe Cream. I have used this a total of 13 times this month, and I know there is a ton more left in here, so this will take me a while to use. I did, though, this month, I started using it more than just for highlight, cream highlight. I've been actually mixing it in with my primer, and I've really liked how it turns out. So I have to say, I said I used it 13 times, but I think that number is very low. Like, I feel like I used it a lot more than that because I don't think I counted the times that I used it mixed in with my foundation. Because what I did was I mixed it into my foundation. I also used it as a cream highlight as well with the same look. So I used it twice essentially in one day, and I don't think I counted it that way at all. I really don't think I did. So I know I got more use than 13 times out of this, if you know, if you count it per use, per purpose type of a thing. But yeah, so I'm excited that I now have another way to use this and hopefully use it up a little bit quicker. Not that I don't like it, I do enjoy it, but like I said, I do want to kind of go through some more things and products in my collection to narrow down my numbers. I personally love seeing my progress as well as sharing it with you all, so I hope you enjoy watching and seeing my progress as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down below if you are doing a project pan. Like, I would love to know. I love watching these, and I love knowing what other people are using and seeing their progress. I just think it's really fun. So let me know down below if you are doing a project pan and how is yours going. Did you use anything up? Did you make any significant progress that you're excited about? You know, just let me know. I will see you guys next time. Bye.